Now, I want to show you how what was next last year has become now, how the data fabric really is now. So please welcome back Joe Caradonna.
Hey, Joel. Hey, it's great to be back. I'm excited to show you how far we've come with Data Fabric. Are you ready to see what we built? Yeah? All right. So the use case I want to show you is file backup to public and private clouds, as well as restore. All right? So let's zoom in, take a look at the topology here. So here you can see in your data center, you have data on tap for your primary storage, and you have AltaVault, which is your cloud integrated backup appliance. Now AltaVault serves as a local cache for local backups. It's also responsible for deduplication and compression and encrypting that data before it sends it to any object store. Now, AltaVault can support 20 different object stores, but here we're showing 3. For public cloud, we're showing Amazon and Azure, and for private cloud, we're showing NetApp's own storage grid. Now, last year, we told you we're going to bring SnapMirror to more systems. Well, I'm happy to say that we've taken our first step. We've integrated ONTAP and AltaVault with SnapMirror. Done. We also showed you the simplicity of data mobility across clouds.
Yeah, you gave us a lot of feedback last year after Joe and Dave's session, and we took a bunch of it to heart. First of all, keep focusing on simplicity, and then the second strong feedback we got was to give you a greater range of control over data protection and restore capabilities. So what you see today is a reinforcement of that.
Right, and I want to start with manageability. We've extended SnapCenter to manage snapshot-based backup and restore operations across ONTAP and AltaVault.
So SnapCenter is the child of SnapDrive and SnapManager, right?
Right, and for those not familiar with SnapCenter, it's our unified platform for managing application-based data protection. So SnapCenter is a great foundation for this because it already knows how to manage snapshots. It already knows how to manage replication. It's already application aware, so you can get those application consistent backups. And now it's cloud aware. So enough talk. You guys want to see the actual product?
Yes, please.
All right, let's dive in. So here we have the SnapCenter utility, and we're going to log in. Let's do that. All right, and you have a dashboard before you, and plenty of statistics so you can see what's going on, overview of the system. But let's dive right into the workloads. What do we want to achieve? We want to back up from our data center to Amazon. So let's do that. Let's click on here. All right, over here, you see all the volumes that are under management by SnapCenter. And on the right-hand side, you see backup policies. They're user-defined backup policies. So we have one for Amazon, we have one for your local storage grid, and we have one for Azure, okay? So let's back some stuff up. So a lot of volumes here, let's narrow it down. I'm gonna pick a particular storage virtual machine. Yep, this one here. All right, narrowed it down. Now let's grab a few volumes. So I wanna take accounting. Let's back that one up to Amazon. All right, I'll grab another one here. We'll take payroll. Do that one as well.
Please don't take payroll. I like payroll.
And one more, information technology. So 3 volumes we want to back up to Amazon. Let's take a more detailed look at the policies here. And you can see the backup frequency, and you can see that it's cloud integrated. And you can also tag the data, just another way to categorize your data. So we're going to call this Insight 2016. We're tagging it. All right, let's close that up. So now we've got it all set up. We're sending our volumes to Amazon. As soon as I hit that, create backups. Let's do that. You can see at the bottom panel, the activity, all 3 volumes being backed up from your data center to Amazon, just like that. And what you're also seeing here is an incremental forever backup, which means once you cut this initial baseline, you'll never have to baseline again.
Yeah, I mean, anyone who's ever had anything to do with backup knows how important that is, right?
Yeah. It's a big deal.
Yeah.
All right, so that's completed, but we're not done. Let's back up to our local storage grid. So we'll select that policy, pick a few volumes. We're going to take engineering, bring that one on over. Let's get finance. Yeah, you okay with that?
Better than payroll.
And operations. So 3 volumes, and we're going to create our backup. And then we get our activity panel at the bottom. Same process, as simple as that. We just backed up our data to both the public cloud and our private cloud, all over SnapMirror using our Snap Center utility. All right, so we did backup. We should probably do restore, right?
See if it works.
So restore can be complex operations. People dread it, right? But we've added the capability to Snap Center to make a job a lot easier. We've added a file catalog. So let me show you how that works. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. The long-awaited file catalog. All right, so we have our search bar here. All right, so here's the scenario. We're going to do a little data mining. We're going to find a PowerPoint presentation from 10 years ago, and it was used for some sales kickoff. All right, so that's our scenario. So in our search bar, we're going to plug in 2006 and April. It's around the time we start archiving that. And we got some hits. All right, so let's zoom in because I want to show you something. So we did narrow it down. We got a ways to go. 2,893 files out of 1 billion files.
Billion. Yeah.
1 billion files. Okay. All right, so we have more work to do. Let's add some more filters. All right, turn on the filters. So looking for a sales presentation. So plug in the volume name sales. That's how we name our volumes. All right. I mentioned tags, so let's use a tag. This was a kickoff presentation, so I'm going to plug in kickoff as a tag. Narrowing it down. And lastly, we're looking for a PowerPoint presentation, so let's plug in the PowerPoint file format. Put that one in there. And done. We found our needle in a haystack. Yeah, let's do it. All right, so we found it. Let's restore it. So we'll click on that file here. Now you notice the file's actually backed up in 2 different locations. It's backed up locally in your local data center, Sunnyvale, and it's also in Amazon. So you can restore it from either location. It's probably faster to restore it from your local data center, but let's keep it interesting. Let's select Amazon. And let's drag our file over here and restore it. And we can restore it in place or an alternate location. We'll keep it in place. And there you go. See the activity panel? So it's as simple as that. We just did a single file restore from the cloud to your data center. Yeah.
Good stuff.
So with Data Fabric, we're not only integrating our products, but we're integrating with clouds as well. And it's this combination that enables us to deliver hybrid cloud solutions to you.